Welcome to Tech Explorer, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we are diving into the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro, a smartphone that redefines power, performance, and endurance. With its 6.73-inch AMOLED display, the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, a 50MP triple camera system, and a 7000 mAh battery, this phone is designed for those who want it all. Let's explore its standout features in detail. The Redmi Turbo 4 Pro boasts a stunning 6.73-inch AMOLED display, designed to deliver an immersive visual experience. With a resolution of 3200 x 1440 pixels, it offers ultra-sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and deep blacks, making everything from gaming to streaming a visual treat. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures silky smooth scrolling and gameplay, while HDR10 Plus support brings out lifelike colors and incredible contrast for HDR content. Whether you're gaming or watching your favorite series, this display elevates every moment. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, ensuring durability against scratches and minor drops. At the heart of the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro lies the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, a beast in its category. Built on a 4nm architecture, it offers cutting-edge performance, enhanced AI capabilities, and exceptional power efficiency. Paired with Adreno's next-gen GPU, the phone delivers a top-tier gaming experience, handling graphically intense games with ease. With LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, multitasking is a breeze, and app launches are instantaneous. Benchmarks place the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 among the fastest processors, ensuring that the Turbo 4 Pro stands tall in the flagship segment. Photography enthusiasts will love the 50MP triple camera setup on the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro. Here is what's on offer. 50MP primary sensor captures stunning photos with exceptional detail and clarity, even in low light, thanks to advanced AI processing. 48MP ultra-wide lens, ideal for capturing wide landscapes or group photos. This lens ensures edge-to-edge sharpness with minimal distortion. 12MP telephoto lens, equipped with 3x optical zoom, it's perfect for portraits and distant subjects. The camera system supports 8K video recording, offering professional-grade videography with advanced stabilization. Features like AI Super Night Mode, Portrait Pro, and cinematic filters elevate your creative possibilities. The front-facing 32MP camera ensures high-quality selfies with natural skin tones, HDR support, and 4K video recording for vloggers and content creators. The Redmi Turbo 4 Pro packs a massive 7000 mAh battery, designed to provide 2 full days of usage for moderate users. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, this phone won't leave you searching for a charger. 90W wired fast charging. Get from 0% to 100% in just 35 minutes, ensuring you're always ready to go. Wireless charging. The device also supports 30W wireless charging, offering convenience for users who prefer a cable-free setup. With advanced power-saving modes and AI battery management, you can maximize battery life even further. Running MIUI 15, based on Android 15, the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro delivers a seamless and feature-packed user experience. Key software features include customizable UI, personalize your home screen with themes, dynamic widgets, and always-on displays. Split-screen mode and floating windows make multitasking effortless. Improved app permissions and on-device AI ensure your data remains secure. MIUI 15 is optimized to take full advantage of the Turbo 4 Pro's hardware, offering smooth performance and innovative features. The Redmi Turbo 4 Pro features a sleek and ergonomic design with a glass back and metal frame. Available in carbon black, frosted silver, and electric blue, it exudes sophistication while offering a comfortable grip. The phone is IP68 rated, ensuring resistance against water and dust, making it durable for everyday use. With a thickness of just 8.8 millimeters, the Turbo 4 Pro feels surprisingly slim despite its massive battery. The Redmi Turbo 4 Pro is equipped with the latest connectivity features to keep you ahead of the curve. 5G ready. Enjoy blazing fast internet speeds for downloads and streaming. While the official pricing of the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro hasn't been confirmed, it is expected to be competitively priced in the flagship segment, delivering incredible value for money. Pre-orders will start shortly after the official launch, and the phone will be available in key markets globally. The Redmi Turbo 4 Pro is a smartphone that checks all the boxes for a flagship device. From its breathtaking display and powerful performance to its pro-grade camera system and massive battery, it's designed to meet the demands of power users and tech enthusiasts alike. If you're in the market for a device that combines cutting-edge technology with exceptional durability and style, the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro is a worthy contender. Thank you for watching Techsplorer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest gadgets. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro. Until next time, stay tech-savvy.